In today's video, I want to guide you on how to download and install Microsoft Office or Microsoft Word for free on your PC. This is very simple. Open your Microsoft Edge browser on your device. Now here type in google.com. Now on google.com, click on the first one to access google.com. Now once you open google.com, type in Microsoft Store. Then click the enter button. Now click on the first one that say Microsoft Store. Once you click on the first one, you have yourself at this place. You have different apps that you can download here, but go to this search button, type in Office, hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, you have yourself at this place. You have the apps, the game. So let's click on this all compartment. You have some here that is paid version like this one. So if you scroll up, you're going to see one that is free like this one. This is Word Office Suite is free one. Then this one, Real Office, is also free one. So click on this Real Office. Once you click on the Real Office, you have yourself at this place. Now click on this download button. So wait a few seconds for this app to download, and app is download. Then open this on your device. Then click on installer. Now click on this button. So follow the on-screen process to install this Real Office on your device. So guys, we've been able to install Microsoft Office for free on our device. If you enjoy what we've explained in this video, if not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this. Here we go. We have the Microsoft Office live here on our device.